Hey guys, Dave from Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial ULTIMO CNC press brake. This is a SMPB 3200 CNC servo driven press brake, so it's 3200 long, 90 ton capacity. So it's a really good mid-size press brake for general sheet metal work and even a little bit of heavier work, having the 90 ton capacity. The iBend, which you can see over there on the right hand side, is the graphical touchscreen controller that Asset Plant's offered to the metalworking industry for over 10 years. It's a fantastic, easy to use touchscreen controller, and you can actually do all your bend sequencing and your full programming. There's a more detailed video on our Asset Plant YouTube station, but this just gives you like an overview of how this thing works and how easy it is, and visually easy it is for the operators to actually use. The 3.2 90 ton is a heavy duty industrial built frame, as you can see, with all of our other Steelmaster flagship press brakes and guillotines. Our ULTIMO iBend Series has some of these key features standard. We'll run the machine and sort of show you those. We've got sliding front sheet supports, as you can see, that have vertical and also left and right adjustments. We've got quick action clamp tools and also the Italian DSP laser guard, so you can actually work the machine working close and do those small parts without sort of interrupting or impeding your work. So around the side of the machine, once again too, we've got the DSP on both sides, the ULTIMO, which is our top end Steelmaster 2-axis servo driven press brake, and round the back here, we'll come in the back, obviously we've got all the CE standard well laid out electrics, and all of our machines have a schematic on the inside of the machine for maintenance, and also all the parts are Schneider, Siemens, and off-the-shelf brand. Behind the machine itself, as you can see there on our ULTIMO machines, we have all high-end quality components. We've got 3 laser light guards on each side, and also if those guards are actually broken, this slide here will come on and basically stop the machine from being operational for workplace safety. The rear of the press brake's lit up, as you can see there, with an LED work light that just illuminates the back of the workplace. We've got wall-mounted Ballscrew, as I said, servo-driven backguage, and that's belt drive as well, so nice and smooth and also fast. See how the laser guards, the DSP laser guards in there, sort of go up and down with the actual tooling itself, so it's easy to use and smooth in operation, and as I said, just gives the operators full flexibility. We've got 4 high quality back gauge fingers, and that back gauge has manual R adjustment up and down, as you can see there, so you can manually adjust the back gauge up and down, and also those 4 fingers there give you full flexibility of 4 R axis adjustment, and they can be slid along the actual back gauge itself. So there's our ULTIMO 90 ton 3.2 servo driven CNC press brake with the iBend touchscreen controller on there. So jump into assetplant.com.au and find our full range of engineering metalwork machinery. Thanks, and have a great day.